Vertical Doors Inc., the #1 Lambo door manufacturer in the world. Vertical Doors' most popular kits are always in stock and ready to ship.
Today I'm here with Michael Lightfoot. Tell me a little bit about what you drive.
I drive a 2015 Dodge Charger Scat Pack.
What made you want to do this crazy build?
So as you know, Game of Thrones, Night King has a ice dragon in the show, so he needed his dragon. So I wanted the car to be turned into a dragon.
So was this always your end goal, or did you kind of just want to win?
No, it was the end goal. It was just been in the making for years now. When we started out making the car Night King, I'll always add something to make the car detail, so it basically came out.
What brings you out here to Tennessee to Gallenberg?
I had to come back. I had to come back to see what it was this year. So last year was winning, so see what it is this year.
You going for the prize again this year?
Yes.
Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.